Now with Sri Lanka's new president Maithripala Sirisena to come to India on Sunday, in fact all eyes are on what will happen to the Sri Lankan Tamil refugees who are there in large number in Tamil Nadu. And in fact, the Sri Lankan refugees staying in Tamil Nadu will be hoping for some kind of a breakthrough that will enable them to return home. Shisha Reddy files a special report from Tamil Nadu.
24-year-old Tushan Paransoti, who moved to India post the civil war in Sri Lanka in 2009, awaits an assurance from the newly elected Lanka president that he will be safe in his country. After losing his mother and brother in the war, Paransoti has given up on his homeland. The change in the regime, however, has given him some hope.
If people think safety, they will back to home country. And every rights also given, Sri Lankan government will have to give to every people, every Tamil people, and not fear to live in Sri Lanka.
The refugees who moved to Tamil Nadu decades ago are not living a comfortable life here. But having seen the worst, they are apprehensive about whether they should return.
The ground situation is entirely different. The defence personnels, the occupied by the defence personnels in Tamil area, they have not gone back. In every area, defence personnel are searching and everything.
Tamil Nadu's political parties have urged the centre not to send back the Sri Lankan Tamil refugees. They argue that the move is aimed at preventing action against the island nation government in the UN Human Rights Council.
The attitude of this government since coming to power has changed. They have agreed for the 13th Amendment. They have stated that they will do good to the Tamils living in the island.
Over 73,000 refugees live in 115 camps in Tamil Nadu. There are over 31,000 people living outside the camps in rented accommodation or with relatives.
While the new Sri Lankan government has announced a series of conciliatory measures aimed at the Tamil minority in the northern province ahead of the Sri Lankan President Maithripala Sirisena's visit to India, the refugees are in a state of dilemma. The big question is, will Sirisena's move convince the Tamil diaspora? With camera person Daniel, Srisha Reddy in Chennai.